A long time ago, there was a huge apple tree. A little boy loved to come and play around it every day. He climbed to the treetop, ate the apples, and took a nap under the shade. He loved the tree, and the tree loved to play with him. Time went by. The little boy grew up, and he no longer played around the tree every day. One day the boy came back to the tree, and he looked sad. "Come and play with me," the tree asked the boy. "I am no longer a kid. I don't play around trees anymore," the boy replied. "I want toys. I need money to buy them." "Sorry, but I don't have money. However, you can pick all my apples and sell them. Then you will have money." The boy was so excited. He grabbed all the apples on the tree and left happily. The boy never came back after he picked the apples. The tree was sad. One day the boy returned, and the tree was so excited. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I don't have time to play," the boy replied. "I have to work for my family. We need a house for shelter. Can you help me?" "Sorry, but I don't have a house. However, you can chop off my branches to build your house." So the boy cut all the branches of the tree and left happily. The tree was glad to see him happy. The tree was again lonely and sad. One hot summer day, the boy returned, and the tree was delighted. "Come and play with me," the tree said. "I am sad and getting old," the boy replied. "I want to go sailing to relax myself. Can you give me a boat? Use my trunk to build your boat. You can sail far away and be happy." So the boy cut the tree trunk to make a boat. He went sailing and never showed up for a long time. Finally, the boy returned after he had been gone for many years. "Sorry, my boy, but I don't have anything for you anymore," the tree said. "No more apples for you," the tree said. "I don't have teeth to bite," the boy replied. "No more trunk for you to climb on," the tree said. "I am too old for that now," the boy said. "I really can't give you anything," the tree said. "The only thing left is my dying roots," the tree said with tears. "I don't need much now, just a place to rest. I am tired after all these years," the boy replied. "Good," the tree said. "Old tree roots are the best place to lean on and rest. Come sit down with me and rest." The boy sat down, and the tree was glad and smiled with tears. This is a story for everyone. The tree is our parent. When we were young, we loved to play with Mom and Dad. When we grew up, we left them and only came to them when we needed something or when we were in trouble. No matter what, parents will always be there and give everything they can to make you happy. You may think the boy is cruel to the tree, but that is how all of us treat our parents. Before you go, remember that shadowing practice is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking and listening skills. Listen to the audio again, repeat each sentence out loud, and try to match the speaker's rhythm, stress, and pronunciation. Do this daily, even for a few minutes, and you'll notice your confidence growing fast. Shadowing turns listening into real speaking practice. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and practice shadowing with us every day.